Hey guys, on today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to remove the OEM hardlex crystal on a Seiko SKX 007. What you're going to need is a case holder, case back remover, the spring bar tool, the screwdriver, flathead obviously, and then a crystal press. As you can see on this model that I just recently bought, has a scratch right here. So what you're going to need to do is remove the case pack. I already removed my case pack, but you need to put it into the holder and then remove it with the case pack tool. And it comes off fairly easy. Move these out of the way. These are all great tools to have. Here's the movement. It's a 7S26 movement. So to remove the crown, that's your next step. You want to screw out the crown till you hear the first click when it first pops out, not to the day and date wheel. See, when you pull it out all the way, it goes back in. So what you want to do is push it all the way down, and you can see that arm right there. It has that dimple right there. That's what you want to push. Use your tool to push that little dimple there, and that crown should come right out. You gotta use a little force here. Try. Push down. You see. It's gonna be a little tricky doing it on camera. There it goes. And then usually the movement will just fall right out. But if not, use your flathead screwdriver to pry up on the movement. Just make sure it's a safe, secure place to pry up a little bit. Obviously don't do it on the rotor. Trying to find a good spot. There it goes. And it'll come out right just like that. Put it down. Make sure to put it somewhere safe. I usually put it in one of these little containers here. And that's what I'll do. Let me take these out. Just put it like that and put it out of the way. I like to make sure to put it in something like this so it keeps out the dust and dirt. And there it is, no movement inside the case. So what you're going to have to do now is take your crystal press and make sure the dies fit into your press when you're pressing down. You don't want to damage anything. These are metal dies, so they will probably scratch. What I suggest is using like a microfiber tail on the bottom. Let me get the right die. This one works better. Yeah. Perfect. There. And what I like to do is put this right here. Just make sure it has enough. It's not snug, but enough where the crystal can fall into. This way it won't damage your bezel or scratch it. Then all you gotta do now is push down. A little bit of force. There it goes. And out is the crystal. Here's the chapter ring. Put that off to the side. And there it is. You successfully removed your crystal. You can see all the dirt. And then the process is pretty simple in reverse. I don't have a crystal for this at the moment. But all you got to do is make sure that the gasket is still good condition. It looks a little beat up. I'll probably replace it with a Crystal Times gasket. And also clean up this case. Alright guys, just want to show you how to remove a crystal. It's fairly easy. I like to see a lot of more DIY guys doing more watch mods and changing your crystal. It's pretty easy. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.